You're gonna love the 2021 Jeep Compass. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Compass gives you the latest safety technology, rugged capability, and upscale sophistication, all wrapped up in a compact, sporty SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, backup camera, fog lamps, satellite radio, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels. Feel safe and secure when you explore your world in the Compass. Take a test drive today.